Hello friends, in last video we shall learn about the biological tools and we shall study these two tools. Biological tools, there are three types of the tools. First one enzymes, next one is a cloning vector, and third one tool is a competent host. These are the three tools, and last video we shall discuss about the first tool, enzymes. And these enzymes is a very important tools are using the biotechnology, and these tools there are several enzymes are used for the rDNA technology, recombination DNA technology. And these tools most important enzyme like the restriction endonucleases. This enzyme is a very important for the cut of the specific DNA fragments using this molecular scissor, or this enzyme is also known as a molecular scissor, and they are using for the cutting the specific DNA fragments. Now in this video we shall learn about the cloning vector. This second tool, it is a very important. The first one, it is a vector. The vector means, vector is one of the genetic tools, and it is also called the vehicles. Means some genetic material they can transfer to another cell with the help of the vector. Means this vector is a tool, it is a vehicles, it is also called the vehicles, and or they are vehicle DNA. This cloning vector is called the vehicle DNA, and the vectors may be different types of the vectors, like some vectors are cosmids, plasmids, some are the bacteriophages, some are the YAC, this is artificial chromosome. This YAC, cosmid, plasmids, this lambdaphages, or some mammalian cells, this MAC, this mammalian artificial chromosomes. These artificial chromosomes, they are different vectors may be used for the vehicle or transfer the genetic material through one cell to the another cell. Now this one of the important vectors is BAC, bacterial artificial chromosomes. Another one is a bacterial artificial chromosome. Bacterial artificial chromosomes. These are the different vectors. These are the different vectors are using for the cloning. Now the most important vectors, cloning vectors, they are commonly used for the vehicles, means they are transfer this genetic material through another cells. With the help of this vector they are commonly used. The very important one of the vector is a PBR. This one of the important vector is PBR. PBR 322. This is the most important vector, and this P means plasmid vector, and this plasmid vector is they are discovered these two scientists. BR means this Bolivar and Roderick, these two scientists study these vectors, these plasmid vectors, and the number of this plasmid vector is 322. This is one of the artificial vectors. They are commonly used for the cloning and some Ti plasmid. Another important vectors like a Ti plasmid. This another plasmid Ti, tumor inducing plasmid. It is also used for the cloning, and also the bacteriophages M13 or lambda phages, they are also used for the cloning vectors. Means these are the important vectors are useful for the cloning. And now these there are some good vectors, some properties of the good vectors, like some properties of the good vectors. This vector is mostly important to able they can replicate automatically, or autonomous replication is takes place through this vector. Vector is replicate autonomously, or it is also easy to isolate. They can easily isolated. This vector is easily isolate from another cell. They are easily isolated from another cell, and now this vector, it is easy to introduce into the another host cell. They can easily isolate from another cell, or they can also replace from, or they can introduce from another cell. And this vector is the most important good characters or properties are present. Now they can shoot a marker genes. It should have a marker genes, and it should have able to control the elements. Means there are some site like the promoter, operator, or some are the ribosomal binding site. This vector is a very important properties. With this vector, they are autonomous replication is takes place. Automatically they can replicated its cell, and also they can easily isolated from another cell, or they can easily introduce from another cells. These are the most important good qualities or good characters of the vectors. Now this there are some vectors are studied. First one vector means these are the cloning vector is a plasmid. We are discussing the plasmid. It is the most important cloning vectors, plasmid. Plasmid is the most important cloning vector, and these vectors, they are commonly used for rDNA technology. This plasmid is commonly used rDNA technology. This rDNA technology means recombinant DNA technology. Recombinant DNA technology, most important. This plasmid is very important. They can using the rDNA technology, recombination DNA technology. Now this one of the plasmid, it is a genetic material in E. coli or the bacterium. They can found in bacterial cells, and they can also the cloning vector, and they showing the replication regions. Now in this figure showing this plasmid vector, they are showing the ORI and drug resistant genes. This MPR, these drug resistant genes, and now this region, it is a polylinker region, means this region into which foreign DNA can be inserted. This is a plasmid, and another foreign DNA they can inserted through this plasmid, and this gene or they can introduce into the plasmid cell, and later this vector, it is also they can vehicle, they can transfer from another cell, and they can also replicate, or they can also multiply, or formation of the many clones. Now this vector is important for it is also the vehicles, and it is very important role in the rDNA technology. And this is the first tool, or this is the first vector is a plasmid. Now the second vector, plasmid vector present in plants, and this vector is known as a plasmid vector for plant. The second plasmid vector for plant. Plasmids vector for plant. These plasmid vectors means they are a very important cloning or carrier in plants. Different plants, this vector is found, and they can also carrier important for they can carry the new DNA from plant cells, and this vector it may be present in the different plants, and they can found some vectors, plant vectors. The most important, these plasmid vectors, this plasmid vector like Agrobacterium tumefaciens. Yes, for example, Agrobacterium tumefaciens. This Agrobacterium, it is one of the bacterium, and this bacteria live in soil, and these bacteria they are present in soil, but this one of the bacterium, this Agrobacterium tumefaciens, it is causing the disease, and this disease like a tuber formation in plants, means crown gall or tumors are grow in the root region of plants. I mean this one of the bacterium, this Agrobacterium tumefaciens, it is causes one of the disease in plants like the tumor formation is takes place for roots of this plant, and this one of the nodules are produces in roots, and this Agrobacterium tumefaciens is found in this soil bacterium in plants, and they can causing the disease like the crown gall. Now this Agrobacterium tumefaciens, they can contain plasmids. Means this plasmid, and this containing plasmid is known as a TI plasmid or tumor inducing plasmid. TI plasmid. This one of the TI tumor inducing plasmid is found in the Agrobacterium tumefaciens. This is one of the bacterium, and this Agrobacterium tumefaciens is most widely used for the gene cloning. The gene cloning process, this gene or this TI plasmid is very important for they can also introduce one of the bacterium like the this Rhizobium bacterium. This another bacterium, they are producing the important gene are present in this Rhizobium. Nitrogen fixing NIF gene. NIF gene is found in Rhizobium. It is another type of bacterium. It is also present in the root nodules of plants, and it is most important function for nitrogen fixation. This one of the gene is present in this bacteria is a NIF gene, and this NIF gene also introduced through this TI plasmid in another cell, showing some diagrammatic representation. The plasmid vectors, they are found in plants, but they also cloning or transferred to another plant cells or this another bacterial cells. The first one, this is a bacterial cell, and this bacterial cell It is a Agrobacterium tumefaciens. This is the one bacterium, and this bacterium have present the genetic material, the plasmid. It is one of the plasmid. And now another one bacterium, and this bacterium is a Rhizobium, and present the NIF gene. This another material. This plasmid is isolated from another cell. This cell is a Rhizobium and one is the plasmid. This plasmid is present in the bacterial cells, and one is a TI plasmid and another is a NIF gene, or this NIF gene is introduced into this TI plasmids. This TI plasmid, these are the two cells, bacterial cells, and this one of the gene is present in this Rhizobium or this bacterium. And first step for isolation, this one TI plasmid, tumor inducing plasmid, this is causing, and this plasmid is cut, specific cut of this plasmid, and this plasmid is rounded structure, one of the plasmid, TI plasmid, and specific cut. This one, this portion is cut, and this or TI or tDNA, this tDNA, and now this isolation from the another cell, Rhizobium cells, they can isolate the plasmids. This isolation, first step is isolation, and later the transfer the gene through this plasmid, the cut region of this plasmid, and they can insert the particular gene like a NIF gene. But this NIF gene having the some sticky ends are found. They can insert the cut portion, and this plasmid means this plasmid is also used for the insertion of this NIF gene, and having some sticky ends on DNA strands. They are present the sticky ends, means DNA is cut from this region, and this is the one of the gene is called NIF gene. This NIF gene, nitrogen fixing gene, is found in this Rhizobium, and they can also isolated through this plasmid, and they can insert on this tDNA or TI plasmid, tumor inducing plasmids. And now this there are present these sticky ends, and now this DNA they can insert for this portion, and now this recombination DNA technology, this insertion of the particular gene, NIF gene. This means this tDNA they can also use for the insertion of another gene or NIP gene. It is a very important gene, is also introduced into the bacterium cells or this agrobacterium. And now this agrobacterium cell, this introduce this gene NIP gene inside the cell of this bacterial cell. Introduce this gene agrobacterium. The genes is introduced inside of this bacterial cells, NIP gene, and now they can form the cloning or they can duplicate and forming number of multiple bacterial cells are produces. These are the many cells are produced, and these NIP gene are also insert from the cell and they are multiplied. Number of copies of these bacterium cells are produced, clone are formed. These multiple copies are produced and these are the cloning. This process is called the cloning. Means these genetic tools or these biological tools, the one of the important enzymes, next one is the vehicle or vector, cloning vector is mostly important in plants, and this plasmid is a very important vector. They are commonly used for the rDNA technology, means recombination DNA technology. Generally this plasmid is used, but in some plasmid they are also utilizing in plants, and this plant cells like the Agrobacterium tumefacium, it is one of the bacterium. They can causing the one of the type of gene is present, plasmid gene, or they are also called the tuber gall producing genes are found in this bacteria. And now another one bacterium is a Rhizobium, and they can present the NIP gene. Now this, with the help of these two bacterial cells, this one of the NIP gene is also introduced into this bacterial cell, Agrobacterium cells. They can first step is isolation and isolate the some target gene or target DNA, and tDNA, plasmid DNA, cut this one fragments is cut, and the another this plasmid they can cut some specific point or sticky ends are present in this DNA, and now this sticky end they can attach on this portion of this plasmid, and they can also the one of the important gene is present in this plasmid. It is a NIF, nitrogen fixing gene, is also introduced in this Agrobacterium cells, means plasmid of this Agrobacterium, and this NIP gene is insert to this cell, means this plasmid, and this plasmid they can also forming the number of genes, means clones are produced, and these NIP gene are produced with the help of these plasmids. And this one the one of the vectors is a very important tool, or they are most important role for the vehicle of the DNA.